How to treat lazy eye? Lazy eye, also known as amblyopia, is a condition where one eye does not develop properly during childhood, leading to poor vision in that eye. It can be treated if detected early enough, but if left untreated, it can lead to permanent vision loss. Here are some ways to treat lazy eye. 1. Corrective lenses. If the lazy eye is caused by a refractive error such as nearsightedness, farsightedness or astigmatism, corrective lenses such as glasses or contact lenses may be prescribed to help improve vision. 2. Eye patching. Covering the stronger eye with an eye patch forces the weaker eye to work harder, which can help strengthen it. This is usually done for a few hours each day and can take several months to a year to see improvement. 3. Vision therapy. This is a type of physical therapy for the eyes that involves exercises and activities designed to improve eye coordination and strengthen the lazy eye. 4. Surgery. In some cases, surgery may be necessary to correct the underlying condition causing the lazy eye, such as a cataract or strabismus, eye misalignment. It is important to note that treatment for lazy eye is most effective when started early in childhood. If you or your child has a lazy eye, it's important to see an eye doctor for a comprehensive eye exam to determine the best course of treatment.